Yeah, now it's starting to moving. See, it's the container now here. And, huh?
You're late.
Yeah, I'm so late. So that's why. Look, and I make it to vlog it because to remembrance here.
Ah,
Check my vlog, huh?
okay, okay.
Okay, and please subscribe, sir.
Inshallah.
Hi. Why, inshallah.
Okay, boss. Okay.
Okay, very good. Thank you, thank you. Oh, see, look at that. Actually, this is the room for Mr. Sabri.
Yeah.
So now the armies of Mr. Sabri of his rule. See? So the handle of the guy because of
Yes, every project is there.
yes, for for moving. See? Now we are pushing now for example we need to put in the size. Yeah. See? So we must be to the center. There are one pool there. So must be to there. Must be to example for not moving and shaking the fabric once there are trouble. Type of trouble. Wallet safety is here now. So, I make it vlog. I make it vlog.
Baka yan na sir ng umpisa, no? Tiyente na sir.
No, maraming marami lang muna ko. 61. 62 viewer. Followers. Sorry. So, papaansada ako sa'yo.
Oh, pwede naman. Bakit hindi? Yun lang kung yung iba nga, hindi natin kilala, pinapano natin.
Kaya nga, see?
Maliit na bagay yun.
Tama yan, sir. Para makita naman yung aking mga vlog. So, ma-trace vlog lang mo.
Ay, yun nga, sumisikat eh.
Mahirap din pala trabaho ng isang no? Ng isang ditulak na ganyan, no?
Hindi sir, madali yan kung may rigger.
Anong rigger?
Eh, di yung marunong sa yung mga signal ng mga train. Eh, wala rin rigger. Puro labor lang yan nagkukan eh.
So, kulang pala rito ng rigger.
Yun nga yung
So,
complain ko ah.
yeah, so rigger na rin si ano? Si...
Okay.
Oo, si Lope. Rigger safety.
Rigger ang kailangan dyan. Talagang bawat crane niya lang, rigger.
Hirap din talaga yung trabaho mo. Si, dapat yan, pagka inangat kasi alam ko, isang baba na lang yan. Oh, pabalik-balik.
Mahirapan talaga yan.
Kasi hindi siya naka-alignment, yun ang problema. Hindi siya alignment. Okay. Third part.